What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to do a quick video how to install a sissy bar and iron 1200. Got the sissy bar off Etsy, made by a gentleman named EdwardRichie. Very good quality, like the paint, looks great, should be pretty easy to install. Just have to remove these 4 bolts, 2 on each side of the rear fender. Remove those and then install longer ones. And that should be it. To replace those 4 bolts, just need a half inch wrench, then the T40 Torx. So these ones on the end, they have a little like locking nut over here, right there. So these you don't even need to grab anything, you just need a ratchet small enough to not even hit the tail light, if you can see that. And I could just twist it right out. Try not to damage the tail light. That popped right out. So I'm going to reuse the back piece of it. Now I'll do the other side. You know, my best not to smack the crap out of this tail light. They'll shoot out. There's like some tension on that inner fender. My extension's like broken. A little ball fell out of it. You can fit a 1/2 inch wrench behind to get that nut off, but afterwards it looks pretty good. Looks great actually. I don't think I'll have anybody sitting on this anytime soon, so I'll see how it holds up with the vibration and everything. I'm mainly using it to put like a bag on. So it'll fit right there, and I'll put some tie downs. It'll be all good. Cool.